Today I'm going to show you exactly how to embed PDF files in your WordPress posts without needing any extra plugins or complicated code. By the end of this video, you'll know the simplest, cleanest ways to display or link to a PDF right on your site, so your visitors can easily view or download important documents, menus, forms, or anything else you want to share. Let's dive right in, starting with the quickest built-in method, using the file block that comes with WordPress. You won't need to install a thing. This feature is ready to go on nearly every modern WordPress site. So open up the post or page where you want your PDF to appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the little plus sign up in the top left or next to any block. That's the block inserter. Give it a click and in the search box type File. When the file block shows up, click it to add it into your post. This is your gateway for uploading all sorts of documents right into WordPress. Now you'll see a couple of options. Upload or Media Library. If your PDF is sitting on your computer, just hit the Upload button and select your file. WordPress will handle the rest. But if you've already got that PDF tucked away in your media library, maybe from a previous post, you can just select it from there. Either way, the file is now attached to your post, and WordPress generates a nice, tidy preview link by default. But here, where it gets really useful, on the right side of your screen, you'll see some block settings. Scroll down to PDF settings and turn on Show Inline Embed. What that does is, instead of just listing the file, your PDF will actually show up right inside your post. Readers can flip through pages without ever leaving your website. If you're embedding a newsletter, a brochure, or maybe a worksheet, this is a fantastic way to keep everything looking clean and professional. You might also notice an option to set the height in pixels. This simply controls how tall the embedded PDF viewer appears. If your document runs a few pages, you might want a taller viewer. For shorter PDFs, a smaller window will do. Play around with the height so it fits nicely with your content. When you're happy with how it looks, just publish or update your post. You can now visit your site and see the PDF embedded, ready to scroll and read. It's that easy. And keep in mind, this method doesn't force anyone to download the file. They can view it, interact with it, and stay on your page the whole time. Now, what if you'd rather give your visitors a simple button or text link that opens the PDF in a new tab? Maybe you want to keep your post looking clean, or the document isn't meant to be read right there. You can do that in just a few clicks. Head to your dashboard and go to Media, then Add New. Upload your PDF the same way as before. Once it appears in your media library, click it to get the PDF's URL. Just copy that link to your clipboard. Back in your post, write whatever link text you want, like View PDF Document or Download our brochure. Highlight the text, click the link icon in the toolbar, and paste in the PDF URL. Before you finish, toggle the Open a New Tab option. This is a small but powerful detail. It ensures your readers stay on your site even after checking out your PDF. And that's it. You now have two simple, effective ways to share PDFs with your audience. Either embed them directly in your posts or provide a handy download link. Both methods keep your site fast, neat, and as user-friendly as possible. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.